What is up? In this video series, I'm going to be putting together a 4-stroke 49cc engine kit, turning this into a moped. And in this video, I'm going to be disassembling this bike. It's been sitting out, getting weathered on for a couple years. So I'm going to be prepping this bike in this video. All the grease and rubber, the wheels have been rotting out, so this crank nut is reverse threaded, and I made a huge mistake and tried to take it off going the wrong way, and I ended up tightening it. So it's you have to loosen it going right, not left. Yeah, see here, I just tightened it, made it even worse for me. So what I had to do, I had to weld a piece of metal on it to loosen it. Now the difficulty of this, it's not supposed to be hard, but if you don't have the right tools, it can be really difficult. And in my case, I don't have the best of tools, but you need to have some knowledge of fabrication, because these kits never fit. They'll never go on. The threads are real nasty. It's real difficult. Things don't line up. In this case, a lot of things don't line up. You'll see later on in the videos what I had to do. It's supposed to be easy, but it's not. It'll take you about half a day at most, in a perfect world where you just bolt everything up. But you do run into a lot of snags, which slows you down. And like I said, you really got to know some fabrication skills so you can work around these problems. Taking off the wheels so I can get to the axles and re-grease them. The grease was really bad, all gunked up and dry. They were attached to that rim. It was real hard to get off, so I'm just breaking that bead. Normally they come off pretty easy, but in this case, like I said, it was sitting for a while, so they were attached to that rim. Right now, I'm just re-greasing the coaster brake. I don't have with that marine grease. You'd want to use marine grease, but I don't have it at the moment, so I'm just using what I have. And be careful when you take the coaster brake apart not to lose any of the pieces. There's, I think, two little brake pads that come out. Those are very important, and you just don't lose those. Right here, I'm putting on the new inner tubes, and then I'm going to be putting on the new tires. And when you air them up, just be careful not to let any bulging happen at the rims. I had that happen to me. So that's the end of this video. In the next video, I'm going to be assembling all the engine parts.